Welcome to PTE Listening module. This section has 8 different task types. You have 57 minutes total. Tasks are scored differently. Some give more points than others. Focus on high-impact tasks first. Summarize spoken text and write from dictation. These give maximum points for your effort. Let's master each task type. Summarize spoken text is the highest impact task. Listen to 60-90 second audio and write 50-70 word summary. Take notes while listening. Focus on main ideas, not details. Use your own words. Check grammar and spelling. This task significantly boosts your listening and writing scores. Write from dictation is the easiest high-impact task. Listen to a sentence and type exactly what you hear. Focus on spelling and punctuation. Listen carefully for plural forms and verb tenses. Don't add extra words. This task gives maximum points with minimal effort when done correctly. Fill in the blanks is a medium impact task. Listen to audio and type missing words. Focus on grammar and context clues. Listen for word forms, singular, plural, past tense. The missing words fit grammatically. Practice common word patterns and collocations. Highlight tasks are medium impact. 2 types: highlight correct summary and highlight incorrect words. For summaries, choose the most accurate option. For incorrect words, listen carefully and click words that don't match the audio. Stay focused throughout the entire audio. Multiple choice questions are lower impact but still contribute to your score. 2 types: single answer and multiple answers. Read instructions carefully. Strategy: read all options before audio starts. This gives you context. During audio, eliminate wrong answers first. This narrows down your choices. For single answer, choose the one best option. For multiple answers, select all correct options. Time management. Don't spend too long. Move quickly to higher impact tasks. Select missing word is the lowest impact task, but still worth doing correctly. You hear audio with a beep at the end. Choose the word that completes the sentence. Strategy: listen to the context and tone of the entire passage. The missing word fits grammatically and contextually with what comes before. Pay attention to connecting words like however and therefore that signal direction. Don't overthink it. Your first instinct based on context is usually correct. Final tips for PTE listening success. Time management is crucial. Always prioritize high-impact tasks. Summarize spoken text and write from dictation. Spend most time on these 2 tasks for bigger score boost. For other tasks, work efficiently, but don't spend too much time. Practice active listening daily. More practice means better accuracy. Stay calm during the test. You've got this. For online and on-campus courses, please call Next Step +0088019460044411 or visit Next Step's websites nextstepbd.com and from the UK, nextstep.me.uk.